Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap allows biometric authentication for faster and more secure access to your account, and using biometrics protects your crypto data without having to type password every time. So first of all, open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner and then click on Settings from the expanded menu. Under the Settings tab, go to Biometric Authentication and toggle on the button right next to it under Account. Right after you turn this option on, every time you force close your application and open it again, you'll be required to verify your account with fingerprint or Face ID or your device's lock code. And soon after you confirm it, you'll be able to get access to your account again. You should now see the option to log in with using fingerprint or Face ID instead of typing your password. That's how you successfully enable biometric login on CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.